kẹ́nìbọ̀dì má pe ara ẹ̀ ní G.O. bíi ti pásítọ̀ Adébóyè. Ọlọ́run nìkan ni Daddy G.O. Ọlọ́run nìkan ni General Overseer Prophet Ezekiel Ọdẹ́dọ̀yìn ló fọ̀rọ̀ yìí ránṣẹ́ sí gbogbo àwọn pásítọ̀, gbogbo àwọn G.O. pátápátá àti gbogbo àwọn kìrìsìtẹ́nì. Kódà ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó dé ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn MFM tí pásítọ̀ Olúkọ̀yà. Prophet Ezekiel máa sọ wípé ọláwọn ò ríbi tí pásítọ̀ kan ti ń àrẹ́sìtì èèyàn Ọlọ́run bíi ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ rí. Ọ̀pọ̀ ìròyìn náà ló ti wà lórí ayélujára tó ti di gbọ́nmisíomi òtó lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Kí ni wòlíì sọ nípa pásítọ̀ kan tó ní Ọlọ́run Babalọ́lá máa pa òun? Kí ni ìgbésẹ̀ tí pásítọ̀ Ọdẹ́dọ̀yìn gbé lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Nínú fọ́nrán yìí náà ni bàbá yìí ti sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa gbogbo àwọn tó ń transfer ipò olùdásílẹ̀, tó ń transfer ipò G.O. fọ́mọ wọn. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó dọ́dọ̀ àwọn ìdílé Odùkọ̀yà. Ṣé ẹ rántí pé arákùnrin kan tó ń ṣe fíìmù ni bàbá ẹ̀ transfer ipò G.O. fún? Tẹ́ ẹ bá rántí dáadáa, ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ nínú fọ́nrán yìí o. Ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ń bẹ. Kódà pásítọ̀ Ọdẹ́dọ̀yìn sọ nínú fọ́nrán nípa àwọn G.O. lóríṣiríṣi tó ti ń wá fún ìrìbọmi nínú ìjọ wọn. Báwo ló ṣe jẹ́? Ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ń bẹ nínú fọ́nrán yẹn, gbọ́ lẹ́nu wọn. Welcome to CrossBlog X TV. Remember to like, share and follow us.
Nínú ìpè yìí, we have headquarter which is central. A ní orí ìjọ ètí ṣe ti àárín gbogbo. On center ní àárín gbogbo yìí. It is where we have someone called president. Ibẹ̀ la ní ẹnìkan tápè ní ààrẹ. We don't call anyone G.O. here. Àwa kì í pẹ́ ẹnikẹ́ni ní olùdásílẹ̀. Because we believe Christ to be the G.O. Òun ni G.O. No one can serve as a general overseer. Ẹnìkan tó lè pera rẹ̀ ní alábòjútó. I was telling them when I was in UK. Mo sọ fún wọn nígbà tí mo wà ní ìlú UK. I can't be in Nigeria and say that supervise sales in UK. Kí tún ṣe máa ṣàbòjútó àwọn tó wà lẹ́yìn. Olùṣọ́àgùntàn ní yóò wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Christ can be there. Kristi yóò wà bẹ́ẹ̀. It is whatever the Lord reveals to me. Ohun tí Ọlọ́run bá fi hàn mí. That I will reveal. Òun ni wọ́n sọ. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. President, we call them here. Ààrẹ òun là ń pè ní olùdarí tó darí bí. Don't forget we said the founder when we were explaining. Ẹ má gbàgbé ńgbà tá à ń ṣe àkàwé kínní aṣọ wípé ẹni tó dá ìjọ yìí sílẹ̀. It's Jesus. Òun ni Jésù fúnra. But for better sometimes you will see an old man. Ọ̀pọ̀ ìgbàlẹ̀ rí arúgbó kùjẹ́kùjẹ́. That's why we normally call old man here. Ìdí tàbí máa ń pè pé arúgbó ọjọ́. That is Jesus Christ. Òun ni Jésù Kristi. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. The old man. Arúgbó ọjọ́. Hallelujah. He appeared to everyone in several places. Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ìjọ yìí ní
hallelujah. Several places when the battle. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
You are a case happen. I was a time. I deliver a message.
Mo jíṣẹ́ kan.
About Mose Orimolade.
Nípa Mose Orimolade.
But the message was not go well.
Ṣùgbọ́n iṣẹ́ yìí kò tẹ́ àwọn tí wọ́n wà ní Kérúbù lọ́rùn.
They now gather.
Wọ́n wá pé àwọn jọ.
Just like Olúkọ̀yà did then.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí Olúkọ̀yà
ti ṣe nígbà yẹn. But I deliver a message to him that is someone made to Alagba.
Tó sì pè mí Sálágbà.
I've never seen a pastor using whenever you see a pastor using police, they don't have authority. I have authority. I can never become police. When will I become police? That is my car here. Go and stay it. Go and steal it. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I will never even report to police. If police is never. Hallelujah. They now started praying. They now gather. When they have tried the prayer, they now give assignment to someone. That person should go and carry out the work. When he now started, he now went. He said, when he was coming my way, old man now appeared to him. He almost became mad. When he now got to their garden, he said they were off the force in that garden. They are normally inside. Whenever I cannot be the one on the bike. He said he really saw that bike. It was Pastor Tunde that normally use it. He said he ran away. When he wanted to become Ramas, he came to confess. Hallelujah. There was a time I delivered the message to Babalola. I spoke about Babalolas and others then. On Monday, one of them came and he said, God of Babalola kill you. I said, see me wrong. Your God will kill me and my God will be looking. My God has sent me a message, you will be looking. That he will kill me. And I had a prophecy. Prophecy. There was a prophecy I wanted. It was so that prophet said, my servant, don't sleep tonight. Because they have summoned the cause of those people you have delivered the message to and àwọn tó ṣiṣẹ́ tó sọ̀rọ̀ nípa wọn wọ́n ti jí òkú wọn wọ́n ti pe òkú wọn. They are coming tonight and they gave me the exact time. Ó fún mi ní aago tí wọn yóò dé. Hallelujah. He said when it is around 12. Wọ́n nígbà tó bá ti di aago 12. That they are coming. Pé wọ́n bọ̀. Hallelujah. I was not praying. Wọ́n gbàdúrà. And I still have a problem. I said when it was. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni mo tún ní ètò ìsìn ní ọjọ́. When it was found something to 12. Gbàdúrà wá di bí aago 12. The environment, the door was started backing. Àwọn ajá wọn lè sí. And I was seeing some things. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni mo rí àwọn nǹkan tó yàtọ̀. When I said Lord, I want to sleep. Ọlọ́run mo fẹ́ sùn o. Even if I wake up. Tí n bá tilẹ̀ jí nìyí. God will hide you. Kí ni wọ́n ṣe? I said angel. These people. Táwọn èèyàn yìí. If they should come here, you are in problem. Wọ́n lè bí ẹ ti dáhùn. And I went.
Gbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu Prophet Ọ̀dẹ́dọ̀yìn Ezekiel.
We have exercised a lot of authority here. That's what called headquarters, which is center, prophecy, and the cabinet. We just started we moved from Moraiken headquarters to Sokpo to Lagos now. We just launched there on January. This is just a mark. A kàn fi bí ṣe àmì ni. Hallelujah. We never know God can come here. Àmọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run lè wá sí. And we have sonar. That is the next to the center. Ètò tẹ̀lé central òun náà ni zona. Combinations of sonars in the main central. In that also. And we now have àwọn ìpínlẹ̀ òun ló mú central wá. That is what we have in Sona. Àpapọ̀ àwọn agbègbè òun ló wá mú ìpínlẹ̀ wá. Area that we are talking about, we have Sona pastor, it might be Sona apostle, Sona prophet, or Sona evangelist. Ní àwọn ìpínlẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan a ní olùṣọ́ àgùntàn ìpínlẹ̀, wòlíì ìpínlẹ̀. Because as I said, I combine two of these together now. Ní àkókò yìí èmi ni mo nú ìpele méjì lọ́wọ́. If you are not coming home now. Bí Ọlọ́run bá pè mí ní àkókò tó yẹ. It is not my property that I will now say my child will not be automatical a president here. No, the law it will be through prophecy. Kì í ṣe ohun èròjà ìdílé mi tí wọ́n fi sọ pé ọmọ mi ni kó jẹ ààrẹ. Àsọtẹ́lẹ̀ ni yóò sọ yìí. He said this, that's what we are using here. Ohun tá a lò níbí nìyẹn. He might be one of the Sona. Ó lè mú ọ̀kan lára àwọn ohun tó tó ìbílẹ̀. Where he lies. Ó sì lè mú láti tó òun ló ní. Hallelujah. Just like when we want to know when we want to appoint all those people. That's how the Lord did. Ẹgbẹ́ àtàfẹ́ fún wọn. Combinations of pieces. Ohun tá a pè ní agbègbè ó ní àpapọ̀ àwọn ìjọ àgbáyé. And we have area pastors. Àní àwọn ìṣọ́ọ̀ṣì agbègbè, àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ agbègbè. Àti àwọn a ní àgbáríjọ ìjọ. Visit pastors. Àgbáríjọ evangelists. Olùṣọ́àgùntàn àgbáríjọ. We have assembly. A ní àwọn ẹ̀ka ìjọ. We have where we have pastors. Ibi tí a ti ní àwọn olùṣọ́àgùntàn. When we have assistant pastors. A ní àwọn amúgbálẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ olùṣọ́àgùntàn. And we have learning stage. A ní ìpele ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́. We call them student pastors. Àpè wọ́n ní akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ olùṣọ́àgùntàn. Any pastor. That will work in God for all souls. Even if you go and be apostle where you come from, you will go and lay all what mentions. Hallelujah. 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 When I went to I travel. Someone was now telling me.
Tí mo lọ síbi tí mo lọ ẹnìkan wá sọ fún mi.
She came.
Wọ́n wá bá mi. Wọ́n ní.
Immediately the Lord opened my eyes and said, I saw a particular arrow that has entered that family, and every one of you that family was
kan tó ti wọnú ìdílé yẹn, gbogbo yín lẹ́sìn jẹ̀yà rẹ̀.
And I said, it's true. I said, no spirit, these two children are not normal. They are
Wọ́n ní àwọn méjì wọn gbádùn.
He said they are mental. I said, he said, he said the remaining children.
Wọ́n ní gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tó kù.
Now said, go and do baptism.
Wọ́n ní lọ ṣèlúbọ mímẹ́.
When you do baptism, you now went. He now said, I've done 3 baptism.
Mo ti ṣèlúbọ mẹ́ta.
He now told me, I said, that 3 baptism you have done, what did, tell me the implication.
Mo ní bá ìrìbọ mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta tó ti ṣe kí ló ṣe fún ọ kí ló dà fún ọ.
The grown children are up to 60-something years.
Àwọn ọmọ wọn ti tó bí ọdún.
And you said you have done baptism.
Mo sì ló ti
They
ṣe
have done deliverance for you.
Wọ́n ti ṣe sẹ́rẹ̀ ìtúsílẹ̀ fún ọ.
Hallelujah. Now God, another one said you are not here again.
Ìyẹn náà ti gbọ́rọ̀.
Hallelujah. Immediately, go and do baptism.
Mo ní ẹ lọ
And you
ṣèlúbọ.
have seen the things that people do baptism and your problem will disappear.
O ti rí ibi táwọn ti ìrìbọ mímẹ́
Were you the one that saw online?
Mo ní sẹ́yìn ni ẹ tí mo rí ní.
That you only pray for the man that will
Ẹ
heal.
máa ń gbọ́wọ́ lé wèrè tó sì máa
And
ń
he
sàn.
said God was, I am the one that God used.
Èmi náà Ọlọ́run lò.
But you cannot teach God what you
Ó
how
lè
you
ọkọ
work.
Ọlọ́run bí ó ti
The
ṣe.
way I pray for someone here,
Bí mo ti gbàdúrà fún
that
ọ.
you might have the same problem.
Ẹ lè ní ìṣòro kan náà.
And those God will tell me that this is what you do.
Ọlọ́run sì sọ fún mi ìgbà tí wọ́n
And
ṣe.
that is what we follow.
Tó ṣe ni.
May the Lord bless us in that. Hallelujah. For Jesus, wonderful
ṣé ẹ
name
rò
we
pé
pray.
pásítọ̀ yìí ní pọ́ìntì nípa ọ̀rọ̀ pé kò yẹ kí wọ́n máa lo ipò jíò nínú ìjọ ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń lọ sí ìjọ tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ń lo jíò báwo lọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣe rí lára yín ṣé gbogbo nǹkan tí wòlíì Ọ̀dẹ́dọ̀yìn sọ ṣé gbogbo ẹ̀ náà lẹ́gbàá kí lè ròyìn nípa ẹ̀ ẹ drop comment and remember to like share and follow us. Thanks for watching. Á lọ fún ìpolówó ọjà pé WhatsApp number page yìí.
tẹ́ ẹ bá lè rí àmì ṣe gbogbo ogun tó lóhùn ní gbọ́ tó lóhùn ní gbà lórí ayé yín iná agbára ọlọ́run máa jó dànù kí lè nǹkan tẹ̀ ń là kọjá tó dàbí pé ẹ ti wá ọ̀nà àbáyọ ṣùgbọ́n tí ẹ ti rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ ẹ ti pàdé wòlíì yín ló fà ṣùgbọ́n arán mi sí ọ lónìí dádì arán mi sí ọ lónìí mọ́mì olúwa lòun fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan ńlá nínú ayé yín olúwa sọ wípé gbogbo tẹ̀ ń là kọjá yẹn òun fẹ́ fi òpin sí kí nìkan tẹ̀ ń là kọjá lórí ìgbéyàwó ni lórí ọmọ ni lórí iṣẹ́ ni níbi gbogbo ni bóyá ogun kan ló dàbí pé ogun yẹn le ẹ ti gbìyànjú kò tí ì sí ọ̀nà àbáyọ ẹ jẹ́ àjọ gbàdúrà ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wá ojú olúwa kí làṣírí ogun yẹn gangan ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wádìí lọ́wọ́ ọlọ́run ká dẹ̀ mọ ọ̀nà àbáyọ ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ fi pè mí fún àdúrà àti ọ̀nà àbáyọ òun náà ni +234 70 25 47 5427 +234 70 25 47 5427 bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń pè mí fún àdúrà lórúkọ Jésù ẹ máa rí ìyanu